Welcome back in this lecture, and now we have started from where we have left it off. Now we have got the beauty pass, which is recently rebuilt. So what else we need to have here? You can see that we need to have gold thing in here. So because of later on it is going to be in gold kind of thing. All right. So this is a gold render, a single render. There is nothing in it. A single pass, single beauty render kind of thing, right? So you can see that there is nothing in it. So it's very extremely important to analyze your each these read nodes in order to get it right, because of you don't know that in this pass what is associated with this, and lots of time, even though we have this red green blue channel also has different passes, right? So always analyze your read nodes. This extremely important kind of thing. So in this case we don't have nothing, we don't have anything. We have red green blue, even though we don't have any alpha here. All right, so how we're going to place this thing? We don't have any alpha. That is why we have got this one. This is disintegration multi-mat. All right, so that means is what, that if I need to show you these things, and this one, if I double click on it, you can see this is started from 286 and ended in 384, right? So this also you have to think, understand that thing. So because of this thing is happening later, so if I put it here and try to see this thing, nothing is going to be visible. So this is very important, that if you have to go 286, then you can see something is happening. You can see something is happening. Now the actual you can say the full length is not going to be 355. We are going to have group project, and here we have 460. So this is going to be 460, and it is starting from 30. All right. So now you can see, because of you can see this is 355. That is why this is 355, because of we have imported it first, and then after we have imported everything. All right. So 355 it is, and later on I'm extending 460 because of the whole shot is 460. That I know because of I have done it, right? So now we have this 460. Now you can see we have a more room to see how it is vanishing. Now you can see first thing, this red color is for the gold reveal kind of thing. So we need to have this red kind of thing, and this green is going to be that particles effect, right? So what we need to have, that we need to extract. So we can take shuffle, and here we can take shuffle by using this, or you can go here and take shuffle for that. And if we're using the upper version of this Nuke, then also it is normally you can make these things happen. Now you can see we have the first thing, Alt P, because of I need to see this what is going on in here, and another thing that is be like this. So because of what I need red, so I have put everything in here, because I don't need green, I don't need blue, although we don't have blue. All right, so if I need to have red, so red is selected, simple, and that means this is an alpha channel. Always shuffle, we need to take shuffle to get the alpha channel, right? So if I go for this one, I can go here, alpha, you can see this is alpha channel, and in alpha channel, alpha is animated, right? So you can see very nice kind of animation we are having here, and black is going to be deleted and white is going to be kept, right? So in order to get this thing done, it's very easy to do it. You can see how we're going to do that. Press M key, and here you can go for this M key for this merge, and this is A, this is B, because of this is going to be A for foreground, and you can put it right here. Now see, we can see this thing properly, but what is happening, you can see that it is not getting, we can see here we have some problem in it, right? Because of we can fix this issue by using two methodology. First thing is going to be here and click on this auto alpha. So now this problem is going to be vanished, right? So now this is one method. Otherwise, you can use this over to mat. So you can see the same thing. If I exchange it, yeah, if I exchange it, then it will, work just fine. So I don't need mat, I need over. And over means you can see, some blending kind of thing is happening, and operation is one kind of blending mode. But now we can see we have this one. This is mask. So I can easily mask this. Now you have the simple revealing effect. So I can come here and let me see that auto alpha is doing a good job in here. You can see that. The main thing is that your look has to be good, right?